folks, Ben Hanlon here with Cherokee Forest River, and I'm here to introduce the all-new Cherokee Arctic Wolf 3810 Suite. Now this is a brand new floor plan for us this year, and it meets a lot of the needs that we've been hearing from our campers. Now the first thing you'll notice is the great aesthetics that you've always come to know, but a new graphic package this year, tons of coverage, lots of nice look. When you're pulling into the campground, it's going to look amazing. You're also going to notice RV45 reflective windows. It's going to keep a lot of light out, keep the heat out, right? To give you privacy, but also it's going to allow natural light still to be in the camper. So it gives you privacy, it gives you heat out, but you still have your coach feeling open and lively. An amazing feature, right? You're going to have tons of exterior unimpeded awning on the front of the camper. You're going to have dual entry. So you're going to have front and rear entry with the nicer stairs on both, not the cheap ones. Still the one-touch push button auto leveling, tire pressure monitors, right? One thing you notice on the back here, this amazing camp kitchen. So tons of metal counter space. You've got a gray stone cooktop. So if you want to be able to hear cooking and grilling and not get the sense of your camper, you've got mine and yours fridges. This is tons of outside storage, right? Most people don't even have close to this. You're going to have an ice maker. You're going to have sink. So much functionality and so much better of a camp kitchen than most people are going to offer. This is going to be a great feature for you. Now, a lot of times when you come off of the back of the camper, you're going to have a half bath in here. This is our first dual bath model. Okay, so you're going to have a full bathroom inside upstairs, but a second full bath for the kids right off the bunk room, right? But you still have outside entry so that if you want to have people, friends, kids, whatever, get them in there, throw their dirty clothes, sand, all that's coming in the back, right? Now on the back of the camper, you're going to notice that you've prepped for ladder this year so that you can expand that out for a telescoping ladder. We do still have the backup camera mounted and installed, help you back up your camera easier in the campsite, at your driveway, what have you. Solar is already included, so you're going to have a 100-watt solar panel this year. Able to run most of the things in your camper. You can't obviously run everything, but expandable to what you might want to do. This camper is great. Let's go inside and check out the rest of it. So on the 3810, this is a bunk model with a great bunk room, but we haven't sacrificed the living space. Again, it feels so open and big. You've got the 6.5-foot tall slides. You've got the ceiling fans. Look at all of the counter space. You've got the island counter space. You've got counter space next to the stove. You've got counter space over here on this end. You're going to have the full pantry. You're going to have so much storage in this camper that you don't have to sacrifice what you might want to take with you. Theater seats right across from the TV. Great placement. A lot of campers like this are going to have not the ability to see your campsite. This is going to give you the ability to see your campsite and have all of the storage and function that you want. As we rotate back into the bunk room, the first thing you're going to notice is that this is a functional bunk room, right? So you're going to have a couch here, not just bunk, so it could be an entertaining area if you have a rainy day, what have you. Flip up bunk here, huge bunk up top, storage down below, TV, entertaining area for the kids, as we said. Now they do have the full bath we mentioned off of the back, so this is going to be a full bath, not a half bath. So if you want the shower and everything included, this is going to be true on this model. Now as we go forward, we're going to make sure that we're getting to the master so that we can show you everything about that. So as we talked about before, you have the full bath downstairs. You still have a nice full bath upstairs, large entry. Make sure you can get in and out, not the plastic doors. They're going to get grime in there and they offer you only this much entry space. Super durable. Shower doors allow you more versatility. Headrooms, larger fan, porcelain foot flush toilet. As we enter the master bedroom, this is a suite series, which means you get the amazing bedroom. You get a king bed standard, which means you get walk-around space on both sides, not the type where you have to crawl in and out of the foot of the bed. I can actually functionally move here. You're going to have nightstands with outlets on both sides. Windows open on both sides. Tons of headroom, even all the way to the front. Dual ACs with 15K airs on both, and they're dual thermostated. You're going to have a desk area for functional office space. You're going to have drawer storage, walk-around space all the way around the bed. If you want to change or do whatever, this is going to offer so much. This camper is loaded and ready for you to go happy camping.